Hello again and welcome. Recently a viewer on the EEV blog that goes by the name of Antrust had posted about a problem they had seen with their Brymen BM789. They say, try measuring a variable resistor in the range of 650 to 660 ohms in automatic mode. He goes crazy. So I ended up making a short little video for Brymen to demonstrate the problem. They wrote me back, and this is what they stated. The BM780 uses a high-speed A to D conversion data to auto-ranging mechanism. After switching from 600 ohm to the 6K ohm range, Firmware used the first high-speed A to D conversion data to deduct 600 ohm range offset to check if further range switching was needed. In case 600 ohm range and 6K ohm range have significant difference, the unit may not be able to converge the measurement at around 640 to 660 region in auto-ranging operation mode. Thus, not every unit will have this bug. Only the unit with extreme offset difference case has this bug. Our engineers modified the firmware to fix this bug. After switching from 600 ohm to the 6K ohm range, the update firmware version uses the first high-speed A to D conversion data to deduct the 6K ohm range offset, instead to check if further range switching is needed. So I thought I'd give you a quick demonstration of what this looks like. On my left you can see I have our BM789. See, this is version 789.08. We'll just switch it to resistance mode. You can see we're in the low range here, and here we're at the high range. So what we're going to do is try to find that sweet spot. So let's just see here. Right here. So what I'd like to do now is go ahead and install the latest firmware in the same meter, and let's see how it behaves. So this now has the most recent firmware installed. Let's just go ahead and turn on the meter. You can see this is now 789.11. And again, we'll just go to the resistance mode. I'll just start incrementing it by 1 ohms. It's got to be pretty close. Oh. Right here. So this is a 1 ohm change. Nice and clean. We'll do the same thing at 6K. Right there. And then it switches back. Let's try it again. And right there it switches. So it looks like they've solved the problem. Again, this is going to be version 11 of the firmware. As far as I understand, the BM786 does not have this same problem according to Dave. You can only purchase the 786 through EEV blog anyway, so I assume that he's handling everything with that meter. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Again, I'd like to thank Brymen for their fast response in getting this resolved. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next round where hopefully we start life cycle testing this key site meter. Later.